How is moral character developed? First of all, moral character refers to the set of qualities, virtues, and dispositions that determine how individuals act in morally significant situations. It encompasses qualities like honesty, integrity, empathy, fairness, and responsibility, all of which guide a person's ethical behavior. The development of moral character is a complex process influenced by various factors, including upbringing, education, culture, personal experiences, and the environment in which a person lives. Understanding how moral character is shaped requires exploring these different influences and the ways in which they interact to foster ethical decision-making and virtuous actions. Let me briefly discuss each below. First is the role of family and upbringing. As is well known, the family is one of the most influential factors in the early development of moral character. From a young age, children observe the behavior of their parents, caregivers, and other family members, who serve as primary role models. Parents instill moral values by modeling ethical behavior and teaching children how to distinguish right from wrong. For example, parents may emphasize virtues such as honesty, respect for others, kindness, and fairness by rewarding these behaviors and providing guidance when their children make mistakes. The early lessons learned at home form the foundation upon which future moral beliefs and actions are built. Additionally, the emotional support and care provided by family members also contribute to the development of empathy and compassion. Children who grow up in nurturing, loving environments are more likely to develop strong moral character because they learn to understand and care about the feelings and needs of others. In contrast, children who experience neglect, abuse, or inconsistency in caregiving may face challenges in developing trust, empathy, and other essential components of moral character. Second, the influence of education. Education plays a significant role in shaping moral character by introducing individuals to ethical theories, values, and moral dilemmas. Schools and educational institutions provide students with the opportunity to engage in discussions about right and wrong, fairness, justice, and other ethical concepts. Teachers, mentors, and peers further contribute to moral development by encouraging reflection on personal values and behavior. In many educational settings, moral development is fostered through structured programs that promote character education, social responsibility, and the development of critical thinking skills. These programs help individuals analyze situations from different perspectives, consider the consequences of their actions, and make decisions based on ethical principles. Education not only provides knowledge about morality, but also offers opportunities for individuals to practice moral behavior in real-world contexts, such as teamwork, community service, and conflict resolution. Third, on peer influence and social environment. Peer influence is a powerful force in the development of moral character, particularly during adolescence. Young people often look to their peers for approval and validation, which can impact their choices and behaviors. Positive peer relationships can encourage the development of virtues like loyalty, cooperation, and respect. Conversely, negative peer influences may lead individuals to engage in unethical behaviors, such as dishonesty or bullying, to gain acceptance within a group. The broader social environment also plays a role in shaping moral character. Media, cultural norms, and societal values influence the way individuals perceive right and wrong. For instance, the portrayal of ethical dilemmas in the media may shape how people understand moral issues, while societal attitudes toward fairness, equality, and justice inform individuals' beliefs about what constitutes moral behavior. Exposure to diverse cultures, ideas, and perspectives can help individuals broaden their understanding of morality and develop more nuanced views on ethical issues. Fourth, personal reflection and experience. While external influences such as family, education, and peers are important, personal reflection and experiences are also crucial in the development of moral character. As individuals encounter moral challenges throughout their lives, they are often forced to examine their values, beliefs, and actions. Reflecting on past experiences, successes, and mistakes enables people to learn from their actions and make better ethical decisions in the future. Experiencing both positive and negative consequences for one's actions can significantly impact the development of moral character. For example, a person who experiences the hurt caused by dishonesty may be more likely to value honesty in the future. Similarly, individuals who receive praise or recognition for demonstrating moral behavior, such as standing up for others or being fair, are likely to internalize those values and continue practicing them. Personal growth in moral character often involves learning to overcome obstacles, take responsibility for one's actions, and strive to align one's behavior with personal values. Fifth, on moral reasoning and critical thinking. Moral reasoning, that is, the ability to analyze ethical dilemmas, evaluate options, and make reasoned decisions, is an essential component of moral character development. Critical thinking skills enable individuals to think deeply about ethical issues and make decisions that reflect their core values and beliefs. The ability to consider the consequences of one's actions, empathize with others, and prioritize fairness and justice allows individuals to act in ways that align with moral principles. Over time, individuals develop the ability to apply ethical reasoning to increasingly complex situations. As people encounter more diverse moral challenges in life, they refine their ability to make thoughtful, informed decisions that reflect their evolving moral character. This process often involves reconciling personal desires with a sense of duty, balancing self-interest with the needs of others, and navigating conflicting values in a principled manner. In conclusion, the development of moral character is a lifelong process influenced by a range of factors, including family upbringing, education, peer relationships, social environment, and personal reflection. It involves the cultivation of virtues such as empathy, honesty, fairness, and responsibility, and requires individuals to engage in ethical reasoning and make choices that reflect their values. By understanding how moral character is developed, individuals can take active steps to nurture these qualities within themselves and encourage moral growth in others. The journey toward developing strong moral character involves both internal reflection and external guidance, ultimately leading to a more ethical, responsible, and compassionate society.